Hi, Boris here from Madness, and today we're going to show you one of our newest upgrades. Now, if you followed us along for any length of time, you know we've done just about everything possible to the Fiat line of vehicles. This happens to be my own Fiat 500 Abarth. I've had this guy since 2012, and over time have done pretty much every single modification possible, whether it's handling, brakes, performance, interior, exterior, you name it, we have done it. Now, in our last video, what we have done is showed you our newest audio upgrade, which is a nice, beautiful head unit that really takes the dash up from the last decade and brings it up to the current time. So if you get a chance, check out a video on that. But in this video, what we're doing is we're going to upgrade these taillights. Now, if you are in Europe, you got the opportunity to purchase the vehicle in the last couple of years with a nice new set of LED taillights, which are really nice and really bring up the car to more of a current look, I would say. A number of folks in our actual company have done the upgrade themselves, but what we have found is a bit of trouble. Find the taillights, figure out who sells them in Europe, try to get them here, hope they don't break, which some of them did, and then figure out how to wire these things up to the US car, which has a completely different harness and does require some modifications. The European car has reverse lights in the bumper, the US car has them in the taillight itself. So what we have done is we've worked with the European supplier and some of our local partners and have come up with a full, easy to replace LED taillight upgrade kit. What you're going to get is two brand new factory LED taillights from the newer model 500 that was available in Europe. You will also get two custom-made harnesses for easy plug-and-play installation that are built correct so you don't trigger any lights or have any issues. Also, these particular taillights are actually already set up with the reverse light and the proper type of plug, so when you plug them in on a North American vehicle, they function properly. We also give you the option of regular bulbs or the upgraded LED bulbs. And if you do the upgraded LED bulbs, we have a resistor package as well that we include so you don't have any issues with hyper flashing. Again, this is a plug-and-play connection. The installation is easy. I'm going to bring Michael out, who's our senior tech, out here in a second. He's going to show you how to install them step by step. You'll see it's really simple. And now we have these lights in stock. They come as a complete set, like we said earlier, with all the harness, the brake, light upgrades for just an easy, seamless upgrade. And if you have questions, as always, give us a buzz. Our guys are knowledgeable in these products. We'll be glad to help you out. And as always, thank you for your support. And Michael, let's get you up here and let's get this install started. So thanks, guys.
Hi, I'm Mike, Senior Technician at Madness Auto Works, and today we're going to be doing a European taillight conversion on our 2012 Fiat 500. Let's dive in. We're going to go ahead and remove these two 10 mils. You can also use a Phillips head if you choose. Now you're going to want to grab the taillight and just kind of pull it straight out towards you. And now you can go ahead and take a screwdriver and go ahead and pull up on this tab here and wiggle it out back. Now, on the harnesses we provide, you'll find that there is a left and a right side. They must go on the side they're marked for, or the taillights will not work. Once you have the right harness, you can go ahead and just plug it into the existing taillight harness, like so. And now you're ready to put in the new Euro light. Now you can take your reverse light and plug that in. And now you can take the tail light, make sure this clip is unlocked. And then once it's nice and snug, lock the clip. And now you can go ahead and tuck this harness and put the tail light back in. Keep in mind, if you have the convertible Fiat 500 as opposed to the coupe Fiat 500, you will have to clearance this section right here to make room for the new assembly. Now you can reinstall your 10mm hardware. Give it a couple turns to make sure it is snug. Now we can move on to the driver's side. Once again, pull straight out towards you. Flip the light over and release the clip. Now this is where the install differs. Since we did opt for the LED reverse lights, we're going to go ahead and add this resistor in line. It's a very quick, easy install. We're going to tap into the number 2 and number 3 wires here, the green with white tracer and the black, just using a butt splice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mount that. Now, once again, we can plug in our taillight harness. And we can take that harness and plug it directly into our taillight. And then the reverse lights. Once more, we're going to try to tuck this out of the way to the best of our ability. Now, you can fasten the light back down with your 10 millimeters. Now we are going to go ahead and install the taillight cover plate. Just like that, it's installed. We're going to do the same on the other side. And just like that, you're done. And just like that, you've installed your brand new Euro taillights on your Fiat 500. If you have any questions, give us a call, visit our website, or one of our California or Texas locations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.